I made this course because in my position and all the things I've been through, I live a real happy, fulfilled life. I wake up in the morning and through a few simple techniques, I cannot wait to get on with my day. I cannot wait. People meet me and they go, wow, you're such an inspiration. How do you stay so positive and happy? I do it through some simple techniques and some simple things. So I created this course to help you guys, help everybody out there that wants a better life, that wants to take a little more control, take responsibility and stop being a victim. Also, I've done this course to give myself a living, to help me to get some of the things that make my life easier. And I need a new wheelchair. And so if you can share the course, if you can bring your friends to it as much as you can, it's brilliant. Comment, give me ratings and reviews. Really do appreciate all that because it'll help me get a new wheelchair. But ultimately take the course because you want to improve yourself. You want a better life.